3 tips to induce real emotion while you act. Number 1, emotion is a byproduct of what you do with reality. You can't do an emotion. Ready? Do jealousy. Do anger. Do sadness. It's not the same as doing an activity that's pass-fail, like tie your shoelaces, fix the plate, iron the shirt, get the truth out of someone, convince her to marry you, get the promotion, fire the employee. You see how that's different? If you're talking to yourself in a way that isn't doable, you put yourself in your head. When you're in your head, you're dead. Prepare for the first moment only, then commit to what you do in the scene. Number 2, prepare away from the script. 99% of the time, the script itself is not going to move you as much as your own personal imagination or life will. Therefore, if the emotional ballpark at the top of the scene for which you prepare is sadness, because the character has lost a child, but you don't have a child, don't prepare on that, because you don't have a context. Prepare on what you do have a context for, which is your own life and your own imagination. Imagine the most meaningful thing to you and losing it. Number 3, let it go. Let it go. When you have prepared emotionally, and it's either worked or it hasn't worked, let it go and be in the moment by doing what you do in the scene. Commit to the reality of doing. The more you do that, the more real emotions will be a byproduct of that action. Because just like in life, when we do something, or when we experience something that we have done, real emotions follow as a byproduct of that action. Do something with reality and real emotions will follow, just like in life. And follow for more acting tips like this one.